Can a machine think and learn as we do? Can it understand, reason, and even create? These questions lead us into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a term that often pops up in tech talks, futuristic movies, and scientific discussions. But what exactly is it? Well, at its core, AI is a branch of computer science that aims to create systems capable of performing tasks that usually require human intelligence. This includes tasks like understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. Imagine a toddler learning to recognize objects around them. They look at a ball, touch it, roll it, and eventually learn what a ball is and how it works. Now, imagine a machine doing the same thing. It scans an object, processes the information, and learns to recognize it. That's a simple way to understand how AI works. But it's not just about recognition. AI is also about decision-making. Let's take the example of an AI-powered self-driving car. It doesn't just recognize the road, other vehicles, and pedestrians. It makes decisions based on this information. When to accelerate, when to brake, when to turn. All these decisions are made in real time, without any human intervention. That's the power of AI. AI isn't a new concept. It's been around since the mid-20th century. However, advancements in technology, especially in data collection and processing, have given AI a significant boost in recent years. Today, AI is not just a concept in a sci-fi movie. It's a reality that's reshaping various aspects of our lives, from virtual personal assistants like Siri and Alexa to recommendation systems on Netflix and Amazon. AI is everywhere. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, assisting astronomers in exploring the universe, and even enabling artists to create stunning works of art. AI is no longer just a figment of our imagination. It's here, and it's making a difference. But remember, AI is a tool, and like any tool, its impact depends on how we use it. It can be a force for good, helping us solve complex problems and make our lives easier. Or it can be a source of challenges, especially when it comes to issues like privacy and job displacement. The key lies in understanding AI and using it responsibly. In a nutshell, artificial intelligence is about creating machines that can think, learn, and make decisions like us. It's a fascinating field that's changing the way we live and work. It's not just about technology, it's about the future of humanity. So next time you hear the term AI, remember it's not just a buzzword, it's a glimpse into the future. Voiceover. If you've enjoyed this journey into the world of artificial intelligence and you're hungry to learn more, then this is the channel for you. We delve into fascinating topics just like this one every week. To ensure you don't miss out, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends who are also interested in the future of technology. But that's not all. Make sure to hit that notification bell too. This way, you'll be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and remember, stay curious, stay informed.